Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can write stories and publish them on your Wattpad account or your Wattpad application from your mobile device. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is open the Wattpad application right over here and make sure that you're actually logged in. If you are logged in, on the top right hand side, you will be able to see your profile icon. Now, in order to add a new story to our Wattpad account or the Wattpad application and to publish them, look at the bottom of the screen and you can see the pencil-like icon. What you want to do is simply click or tap on the pencil icon right over here. And as you can see the option at the top which says create a new story. What you want to do is simply tap on create a new story. And as you can see, it is asking us to add a cover, a story title and a story description. You can simply do so by clicking on the plus button and adding a cover from a gallery. In similar way, you can also add a story description to your story. But if you want to do this later on the top right hand side of the screen, you will see a skip button. Simply tap on the skip button right over here. Once you tap and skip, you can see it is asking us to enter our title story part. And then here you can start writing your stories on Wattpad. Once you write your stories, you can simply publish them. In order to publish, on the top right hand side, you will see the publish button. Once you write your story, simply click on publish and your story will be published on your Wattpad account, and everyone will be able to read and view your story. In this way, you can really easily add a new story to your Wattpad account. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.